how you can allow bypass permissions mode in Claude Code. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Claude Code and open your profile in your right down corner area and simply open settings. Now navigate to Claude Code section, and here should be the local sessions area, and here is allow bypass permissions mode. So all you're gonna have to do is to turn this on in Claude app, and I'm gonna show you also how you can do it in the terminal. So enable it, and it's gonna bypass all permissions checks and let Claude work uninterrupted. So now I'm gonna turn it off and, for example, search for the terminal. And before you turn on the Claude, you can type here this command. I'm gonna keep it down below in the video description. And now press enter. Now you can read this. So the permission mode gonna be enabled, and the Claude Code will not ask for your approval before running potential dangerous command. So if you want to turn it on, you have to click down arrow and press enter, and you're gonna allow bypass permissions mode. So that's all you need to do in order to do that. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.